Hello, Camp Griddlemore. We are dealing with some really bad weather today. We got a tropical storm outside, so we are obviously not at the campground, but we are still really hungry. So let's make mini French toast bites inspired by Casey from Cookin' Woods. So let's pretend we're camping and let's get cooking. I keep the Blackstone E-Series griddle stored in my kitchen above my refrigerator, and I use it every weekend all winter long to make my kids a big breakfast on Saturday or Sunday morning, and it is going to work perfectly to make these mini French toast bites today. We are going to add fresh strawberries and fresh blueberries on top of our mini French toast bites. Now, Casey from Cookin' Woods did not do this in his recipe, and this is one of the couple of things that we're gonna do a little bit differently than what he did. So let's get the strawberries and blueberries rinsed off, and let's slice up the strawberries so that they're ready to go at the end of our cook. We are going to use 1 pack of the original King's Hawaiian sweet rolls for our mini French toast bites, and we're basically going to cut each of the 12 rolls in half, giving us 24 bites. In my family, this will serve about 3 people. If you need to feed more people at the campground, just add another pack. Pro tip from Alton Brown, leave your bread out overnight somewhere safe so it gets slightly stale, so the center of the bread isn't mushy when you serve your French toast. After our rolls are sliced up, let's make sure we turn on our Blackstone E-Series to about 350 so that it's ready to go after we get our French toast batter done. For our French toast batter, we're gonna use 6 eggs and 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of the Chobani coffee creamer in the cinnamon coffee cake flavor, which I'm really excited to try. Now, Casey used the Starbucks cinnamon dolce creamer, but they did not have that at my grocery store. We're also gonna do 2 coatings of the Blackstone Snickerdoodle Seasoning and stir them both in really good. This seasoning is not available anymore, so if you can't find it or you don't have any of it, you could just use cinnamon and sugar. Now let's give our griddle top a serious butter bath and then dunk each of the mini French toast bites into the French toast batter, get them really soaked up nicely, and place them right on the griddle top. Once the bottoms are done cooking, we're gonna flip them all over, and then for an additional pro tip, try flipping them on their sides. It's a little bit hard to do and sometimes they fall over, but it's actually kind of fun to try, and I think it makes them taste even better. Once they are done, let's place them on our cutting board family style and then add our syrup, our powdered sugar, and our fresh strawberries and blueberries. This looks so delicious. I am so hungry. I am so ready to dive in and try these mini French toast bites. They look incredible. This looks so good. I almost don't want to bite into it because it looks so pretty, but I'm gonna dive in and take a bite, going family style here. It looks so good. Let's get blueberry and a strawberry in a nice big bite. New favorite breakfast. I love adding the fresh fruit. Casey didn't do that part, but it really works for me. Let me know in the comments below if you would go with fresh fruit or just leave it off. But this is so delicious, and I think one of the secrets here to why this is so good is that you have more surface area. Because it's these smaller French toast bites, so you just have more of that golden brown surface area all over the place. And I think that's what makes this better than traditional French toast. I said it, I like this better than a traditional slice of French toast. I also use that Chobani cinnamon coffee cake creamer, which worked great. It tastes great to me. I couldn't find the Starbucks cinnamon dolce that Casey used. Let me know in the comments below about that too. Like, which one would you prefer, the Chobani or the Starbucks? Thank you so much for joining us for this rainy day, tropical storm episode of Camp Griddlemore. We have been stuck inside for a few days here in New Jersey. And a huge thank you to Casey from Cookin' Woods. You're gonna wanna throw him a follow. He does so many incredible recipes and so many of them are great for the campground. I'm gonna take a few more bites here and I'm gonna call my boys down and we are gonna devour this and finish it right on up. So hopefully we see you next week at the campground.